Hello student, chapter number 7 cube and cube roots. In that today we solve exercise 7.2. First question, find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So here we use prime factorization method. In that first one, number 64, that is 64. So what to do? Prime factorization means you just find out prime factors of that number. 4 means division, divide by 2. 32s are 2, 16s are 2, 8s are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are and 2 1s are. You know that how to factorize that one. Okay. Then what to do? You just make group of 3 here directly. So 64 equal to 2 times group of 2. 2 cube and 2 cube. Group of 3 times 2. 2 times are there. Okay. So 2 cube, 2 cube. So cube root of 64 equal to cube root of 2 cube and 2 cube. Here cube and cube root cancel, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. So cube root of 64 equal to 4. Number 2, that is 512. Again factorize that one. 2, 256, again 2, 1, 2, 8, then 2, 64, then 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Then make group of 3 here. Okay. So 512 equal to 3 times 2 cube is there. And cube root of that number equal to cube root of the factors. Here 3. So cube and cube root cancel. 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So cube root of 512 equal to 8. Okay. Next one is number 3, that is 10,648. So here we factorize that number with 2, that is 5, 3 2s are 2 2s are and 4. Again 2s are 2 2s are 6 are 6 are and 2s are. Again 2s are, that is 1, 3, 3 and 1. Okay. And that is not possible with 2, not possible with 3, 5, 7. Okay. Directly with 11. 11, 121s are. Then 11, 11s are and 11 1s are. Group of 3 here. So directly here we write down cube root of 10,648 equal to, in a cube root, 3 times 2 means 2 cube and 11 cube. And cube root cancel. 2 into 11, that is 22. So 2. Okay. Number 4, that is 27,000. Factorize that one here. With 2s are 2 1s are 3 2s are and 5 0 0. Again 2s are 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are and 5 and 0. Again 2s are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 15, 7 2s are and 5s are. Now that is divided with 3. 1 1 3 2s are 6 and 5s are. Again 3 3s are 9. So 22, 7s are 15 and 5 3s are. Again 3s are 1, 2 and 5. Then with 5, 25. 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Make pair of 3 here. Group of 3 here. So 27000 equal to 2 cube, 3 cube and 5 cubes are there. Okay. So cube root of 27000 means 27,000 equal to cube root of 2 cube, 3 cube and 5 cube equal to cube and cube root cut, that is 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 30. Okay. That is your answer. Next number fifth one 15,625, 15,625. Now that is not divisible by 2. Then let me check. 5 and 5, 10, and 7, 8, 9 means 19. That is not divisible by 3. So let me 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 12, 5 2s are 10, and 25 5 5s are. Again 5s are 6 5s are 30. Then 5 2s are 10 and 5s are. Again 5s are, that is 1 2 5. Again 5s are, that is 25. Again 5s are, that is 5, and 5s are 1. So group here. So 1 2 6 2 5 equal to 5 cube and 5 cube. So cube root of 15,625 equal to cube root of 5 cube and 5 cube. Cube cut 5 into 5, that is 25. That's your answer. Okay. Next one 13,824. So factorize that one. 13824. So with 2 6 are 12, 9 2s are 18, 1s are and 2s are. Again 2s are 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 11, 5 2s are 10, and then 6. Again 2s are 2 1s are 2, 14 means 7, 2 2s are 4, 16 means 8. Again 2s are 8 2s are 16, 12, 6 are, and here 4s are. Again 2s are 4, 3, and 2. Again 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 6 are. Again 2s are 108. Again 2s are 54, 2 27s are. Then 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Then make group of 3 here. So 13824 equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube and 3 cube. So cube root of 13,824 equal to cube root of 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, and 3 cube. Cube and cube root cut this. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So your answer is 24. Okay. Next number 7, that is 110,529 means 1,10,592. So here we factorize that number. Look, last digit is 2, so that is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. Again 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 19 means 9 2s are 18, and here 6. Again 2s are 2 2s are 4, 15, 7 2s are again 6, then 4 2s are 8, and 16 means 8 2s are. Then 2s are 2 1s are, 2 3s are, then 8s are, 2s are, and 4. Okay. If you don't able to do that, then what to do? Just divide them in a rough side. Okay. Then 2s are 6 9 1 2. Again 2s are, that is 3 4 5 6. Then 2s are 1 7 2 8. Then 2s are 8 6 4. Again 2s are 4 32. 2s are 2 1 6. 2s are 1 0 8. 2s are 54. Then 2 27s are. Then 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Then make group of 3 here. Okay, so 11092 equal to 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube 1 2 3 and 4 times 2 cube and 3 cube. So cube root of 1,10,592 equal to cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube and 2 cube 2 cube and 3 cube, and cube root cut. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, to the 48. So answer is 48. Okay, same for next one, that is 8 number, and number is 46656. Okay, and factors of that one. So 46656. Okay, factorize that number here with 2 za. Okay, I just directly write down them. 2 2 za, 3 za, 3 za, 2 za and 8 za. Again 2 za, 1 1 6 6 and 4. Again 2 za, that is 5 2 za 10, 8 2 za 3 and 2 za. Then again 2 za, 2 2 za 4, 18 9 2 za, 2 1 za 2 and 6 za. Again 2 za, 1 4 2 za 8, 11 5 2 za and 8 2 za 6. Again 2 7 2 2 za and 9. Then it's 3 za. Okay, with 2 it's not possible. 7 3 2 za 6, 4 3 za and 3 3 za. Again 3 za, 8 and 1. Then 3 za 27, 3 za 9, 3 za 3 and 3 1 za. Okay, make of group of 3 here. So 4 6 6 5 6. Directly write down cube root of that one equal to cube root of, we are having the factors, they are 2 cube 2 cube 3 cube and 3 cube. Cube cancel. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 3 za 9 2 za 18 2 za 30. So your answer is 36. Okay, next number is 9 number, that is 175616. Okay, let me factorize that one. 175616 here with 2 za 8 157, then 8, then 0 and again 8. Again 2 za 4 2 za, then 3 2 za, 9 2 za 0 and 4. Again 2 2 za 4, 2 1 za 2, 19 9 5 and here 2. Again 2 za, that is 1 za 0 9 7 and 6. Again 2 za, 5 2 za, 4 2 za 8 17 and 8 and here 8. Again 2 za, 2 2 za 4 7 and 44. Again 2 za 1 3 2 za 7 and 2 za. Again 2 za 6 2 za 12, 1 7 means 8 2 za and 6. Again 2 za 3 4 3. Now that is not divisible by 2. So factors of 343, we know that is cube 7. Cube of 7 means directly 7 49 za, 7 7 za and 7 1 za. Then 2 2 2 and 7. Okay, so 17561 equal to 2 cube 2 cube 2 cube and 7 cube. So cube root of 175616 equal to cube root of 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube and 7 cube. Cube cancel. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 equal to 7 2s are 14, 2s are 28, 2s are 56. So answer is 56. Okay, and last one is 91125. Okay, factorize that one. 9125, that is not divisible by 2, so directly we start with 3. So 3 3s are 9, again not possible. 0, 3 3s are 9, 22 means 7 and 1 5s are, again 3s are 1 0 1 2 5, again 3s are 3 3s are 9, 11 3 3s are 9, 12 4s are and 7 7 11s are and then 5s are, again 3s are 1 1 2 5, again 3s are 3 3s are 9, 22 means 7 and 5s are, again 3s are 1 2 5, then 5s are 25, 5 5s are and 5 1s are, make group of 3. So 91125 equal to 3 cube, 3 cube and 5 cube. So cube root of 91125 equal to cube root of 3 cube, 3 cube and 5 cube. So answer is 3 into 3 into 5 equal to 3 is a 9, 5 is a 45. So answer is 45. Okay. So here first question is completed. You just complete that question in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.